The birth of the Great Wall of China. Introduction to the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is one of the most famous landmarks in the world, stretching over rugged mountains and vast landscapes. This magnificent structure, built over centuries, is a symbol of China's historical strength and architectural genius. Originating as separate walls for different kingdoms, it was eventually joined together to become the Great Wall we know today. The construction started as early as the 7th century BC, with major contributions during the Qin, Han, and Ming dynasties. The wall was built to protect China from northern invasions and to unify the nation under one rule. Spanning approximately 21,196 kilometers, 30,170 miles, the Great Wall is not a single unbroken wall but a series of walls and fortifications. It winds its way across northern China, from the Yellow Sea to the Gobi Desert, traversing challenging terrains. The Great Wall is not only a historical monument, but also an architectural marvel, showcasing the extraordinary capabilities of ancient Chinese engineers. It stands as a testament to the determination and resilience of the Chinese people. In this story, we will explore the rich history of the Great Wall, its construction, significance, and the stories that have echoed through its stones over the millennia. Join us as we journey through time and unravel the mysteries of this iconic symbol of China. Historical background of the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China's history is as long and winding as the structure itself. It dates back to ancient times and involves multiple dynasties, each adding to its length and legacy. The construction of the wall started during the Spring and Autumn period, 771 to 476 BC, and the Warring States period, 475 to 221 BC. During these times, different states built walls to protect their territories from invaders and to demarcate boundaries. These early walls were made primarily of earth and stones. The most significant phase of construction began in the Qin dynasty under Emperor Qin Shi Huang in the 3rd century BC. He unified various wall segments built by the former states into a single system. The Qin Wall was built by conscripted laborers and prisoners, and mainly served as a defense against northern nomadic tribes. During the Han dynasty, 206 BC, 220 AD, the wall was extended to protect the Silk Road trade routes. The Han Wall was fortified with watchtowers and beacon towers for communication and surveillance. The most well-known sections of the wall were built during the Ming dynasty, 1368-1644 AD. Facing the threat from the Mongols, the Ming emperors rebuilt and extended the wall. Unlike earlier constructions, the Ming Wall was built using bricks and stones, and featured more sophisticated designs, including stronger fortifications and more elaborate watchtowers. Throughout its history, the design of the wall evolved. It included not only the main wall, but also secondary walls, natural barriers, trenches, and fortifications. The wall's structure varied according to the terrain it crossed. It was taller and stronger in vulnerable areas and simpler in others. While defense against invasions was a primary purpose, the wall also served other functions. It helped regulate trade along the Silk Road, controlled immigration and emigration, and was used to send smoke signals for communication over long distances. It symbolized the power and might of the Chinese Empire and the emperor's ability to mobilize resources. Beyond its military and political roles, the Great Wall held significant cultural importance. The wall became a source of pride and a symbol of national identity for the Chinese people. The history of the Great Wall of China reflects the tumultuous periods it witnessed and the evolving strategies of defense and governance. It stands as a historical testament to China's strength and perseverance through the centuries. In the next section, we will explore the construction and design of the Great Wall, delving into the architectural techniques and materials used to build this iconic structure. Construction and design of the Great Wall of China. The construction and design of the Great Wall of China are marvels of ancient engineering and architecture. Over the centuries, the wall was built using various methods and materials, adapted to the diverse terrains it traversed. In its early stages, the Great Wall was primarily constructed using rammed earth and wood, materials readily available in the region. As construction techniques evolved, Especially during the Ming Dynasty, bricks and stones were increasingly used. These materials made the wall more durable and robust against the elements and invaders. Building the Great Wall was a massive undertaking, involving millions of workers, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners. Workers had to carry heavy materials over mountains and across plains, often in harsh weather conditions. The construction process was labor-intensive and often dangerous. The design of the Great Wall varied significantly across different regions. In mountainous areas, builders took advantage of the natural terrain to construct the wall, making it steeper and more challenging for enemies to climb. In flatter areas, the wall was built taller and thicker to compensate for the lack of natural barriers. The wall's design included several key features. Watchtowers. These were placed at regular intervals to house soldiers, store supplies, and serve as lookout points. Battlements. The wall had battlements for soldiers to take cover and shoot arrows during battles. Beacon towers. Used for communication, these towers signaled alerts through smoke during the day and fire at night. The Great Wall's construction showcased advanced engineering skills. For instance, the use of sticky rice in some parts of the mortar made the bricks stick together more firmly. The wall's builders also had to solve complex problems related to drainage and foundation in challenging terrains. Stretching thousands of kilometers, its construction required an immense workforce and significant resources. The sheer scale of the Great Wall is astounding. It is estimated that millions of people worked on the wall over the centuries. Architecturally, the Great Wall is significant for its integration into the landscape and its sustainability over centuries. Its design and construction techniques have been studied and admired for their ingenuity and effectiveness. The construction and design of the Great Wall of China represent a monumental achievement in human history. The wall stands as a symbol of the ingenuity and resilience of the people who built it, reflecting their ability to overcome the challenges of nature and warfare. In the next section, we will discuss the strategic significance and military use of the Great Wall. We will explore how it served as a defense mechanism and its role in the military history of China. Strategic significance and military use of the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China was not only an architectural wonder, but also a crucial military defense system throughout various dynasties in Chinese history. The primary purpose of the Great Wall was to protect China from northern invaders, particularly the nomadic tribes. The wall served as a physical barrier to prevent or slow down enemy incursions. Its strategic placement along the northern borders of China was key to safeguarding the heartland of the Chinese Empire. Soldiers stationed in these towers could spot enemy movements from a distance and send signals along the wall using smoke or fire. The watchtowers and beacon towers along the Great Wall were vital for surveillance and communication. The Great Wall also functioned as a means to regulate trade and travel along the Silk Road. This early warning system allowed for quick mobilization of troops in response to threats. Gates along the wall were used as checkpoints to control the flow of goods and people, helping to manage trade and collect taxes, as well as prevent smuggling and illegal crossings. Beyond its physical functions, the Great Wall had a psychological impact on both the Chinese people and potential invaders. For the Chinese, it was a symbol of the emperor's power and commitment to protecting the nation. For enemies, it was a daunting obstacle, representing the strength and resources of the Chinese Empire. Despite its strengths, defending the Great Wall was challenging. The vast length of the wall meant that it was difficult to man completely. In some cases, invaders found ways to breach or bypass the wall. The wall's effectiveness depended heavily on the strength and organization of the forces guarding it. Maintaining the Great Wall was a continuous task, requiring significant resources. Sections of the wall were regularly repaired and reinforced. Troops stationed along the wall, known as the garrison, were responsible for its defense and upkeep. Over time, as military strategies and technologies evolved, the strategic importance of the Great Wall changed. In some periods, it was a critical line of defense, while in others, its significance diminished, especially with advancements in warfare technology. The Great Wall's role in the military history of China is complex. While it was not always impenetrable, it served as a formidable line of defense and a symbol of the empire's strength for centuries. Its presence influenced military strategies, trade policies, and even diplomatic relations. In the next section, we will explore the cultural impact and symbolism of the Great Wall. We will look at how it has been perceived and represented in Chinese culture, literature, and arts, and what it symbolizes in the broader context of Chinese history and identity. Cultural impact and symbolism of the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is not only a monumental feat of engineering, but also a profound cultural symbol, deeply ingrained in Chinese history and identity. The Great Wall represents the strength, perseverance, and unity of the Chinese people. It symbolizes the ability to achieve incredible feats through collective effort and determination. Throughout history, the wall has stood as a testament to China's endurance and resilience in the face of challenges. The Great Wall has been a source of inspiration in Chinese literature and art for centuries. It features in poems, paintings, and folktales, often symbolizing the nation's history and the sacrifices of its people. The wall has been portrayed both as a proud emblem of China's past and as a poignant reminder of the human cost of its construction. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Great Wall is not just a historical structure, but also a cultural treasure. Its preservation is crucial for maintaining a link to China's past and for educating future generations about the country's rich history and heritage. As one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world, the Great Wall attracts millions of tourists each year. It plays a significant role in China's tourism industry and contributes to the global image of China as a nation with a rich and ancient history. The Great Wall has become a popular motif in films, books, and other media, often symbolizing the grandeur and mystery of ancient China. It has become a cultural icon, representing not only China, but also the idea of a monumental barrier, both physical and metaphorical. The different sections of the Great Wall, built by various dynasties, reflect the historical and political changes over the centuries. Each part tells a story of the era in which it was built, the challenges faced, and the leaders who envisioned it. The Great Wall continues to inspire both artists and scholars. It serves as a subject for artistic expression and academic study, offering insights into ancient Chinese architecture, engineering, and military strategy. Beyond its significance in China, the Great Wall is a symbol of human creativity and endeavor on a global scale. It reminds us of the shared human capacity to create and to leave lasting legacies. The cultural impact and symbolism of the Great Wall of China are immense. It stands not just as a structure of bricks and mortar, but as a symbol of a civilization's journey through time, embodying the spirit, struggles, and achievements of the Chinese people. In the next section, we will delve into the challenges and efforts involved in preserving the Great Wall. We will explore how conservationists are working to protect and maintain this iconic structure for future generations. Preservation and modern significance of the Great Wall of China. The preservation of the Great Wall of China is a crucial task, given its historical significance and cultural value. In modern times, this ancient structure faces various challenges, and efforts are being made to protect and maintain it for future generations. The Great Wall, due to its vast length and varied terrain, faces significant preservation challenges. Natural erosion, weathering, and vegetation growth threaten the structure's integrity. Additionally, human activities like tourism and unauthorized construction near the wall have contributed to its deterioration. In some areas, bricks have been removed for use in building local houses and roads. Recognizing these challenges, the Chinese government and international organizations have initiated several preservation projects. These efforts include repairing damaged sections, restricting access to fragile areas, and using technology to monitor the condition of the wall. Conservationists are employing traditional construction methods to preserve the authenticity of the structure. To safeguard the wall, strict regulations and protective laws have been implemented. These laws prohibit activities that could harm the wall and aim to raise awareness about its importance and the need for preservation. The Great Wall continues to serve as an educational resource, providing insight into China's history and ancient engineering. It is an important cultural symbol, and preserving it helps maintain a connection to the past and educates people about the rich heritage of China. With the wall being a major tourist attraction, managing tourism sustainably is vital. Efforts are being made to balance accessibility for visitors with the need to protect the structure. Tourist facilities and pathways are being developed to minimize direct impact on the wall. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Great Wall holds global significance. Its preservation is not just a national concern, but a global responsibility, as it represents a part of human history and achievement. The preservation of the Great Wall of China is a complex task that requires ongoing commitment and resources. It involves balancing the need to maintain the structure's historical integrity with the challenges posed by natural decay and human impact. In the next section, we will look at the Great Wall's role in modern times, how it is perceived today, and its continuing impact as a symbol of China and a monument of historical significance. The Great Wall in modern times. Its significance in modern times extends far beyond its original purpose. Today, the Great Wall of China stands not just as a historical monument, but as a symbol of enduring strength and cultural pride. The Great Wall is a powerful symbol of China's rich history and cultural heritage. It represents the ingenuity and resilience of the Chinese people and is a source of national pride. As one of the world's most famous landmarks, the Great Wall attracts millions of tourists annually. Visitors from around the globe come to walk its paths, experience its history, and enjoy the breathtaking views it offers. The wall continues to be an important subject for cultural and historical studies. It offers valuable insights into ancient Chinese architecture, military history, and the dynastic periods of China. Educational programs and tours help in spreading knowledge about its historical significance. The Great Wall has been featured in numerous films, books, and artworks, often symbolizing endurance and the human capacity to overcome great challenges. It continues to inspire and fascinate artists and storytellers around the world. In its modern role, the Great Wall bridges the past and the present, serving as a testament to human achievement and a reminder of the historical journey of one of the world's oldest civilizations. It continues to captivate and educate, holding a special place in both Chinese culture and the collective imagination of people worldwide. In the final section, we will conclude our exploration of the Great Wall of China, reflecting on its enduring legacy and its significance as a monumental achievement in human history. Conclusion. The Great Wall of China, spanning centuries and dynasties, stands as a monumental testament to human endeavor and creativity. Its enduring presence is a reminder of the historical richness of China and the remarkable capabilities of its people. As one of the world's most iconic structures, the Great Wall symbolizes not only the past glories and challenges of a great civilization, but also the enduring spirit of resilience and unity. Its legacy continues to inspire awe and admiration, making it a timeless symbol of architectural genius and a bridge connecting us to the fascinating narrative of human history.